You got questions? Jay Wayne got answers. It's the Jay Wayne Q&A show.
Hey, Jay Wayne, trade to get paid. Hey, Jay Wayne, he got the answers. Q&A. Jay Wayne, hey, Jay Wayne, Q&A.
FX Gideon, welcome to Jay Wayne Q&A show. How can I help you, my brother?
Hey, thank you, Jay.
Hey, you finally got in. Hey, what's up, man?
Yeah, I've been trying like for the past 20 minutes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, I'm glad you got in, man. What can I help you with, man? This is you call in, you ask your question. What can I help you with? You're marking up your charts, and the price is going your way.
Price keep feeding at my zone.
Oh, you said it's not breaking your zone?
No, they do break my life. I am a retail trader.
Okay.
I take entries, yes, but sometimes I still find myself jumping the gun. Maybe.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. So price. So you got your chart marked up.
Yes.
Okay, and price gets to whatever area you're looking for your entry, but you end up pulling the trigger too fast.
Yes.
Right. So here's the thing, Gideon. I know what to help you with, my brother. What you need to do is, okay, since you're marking up your charts and prices basically going your way, you're pretty much getting the direction right. It's a discipline problem. It's a discipline problem, my brother. And if all you have to do is back test. I want your homework for starting tonight all the way through the rest of this week. I want you to back test like a couple weeks ago, up until now. All right. And I want you to mark up your charts the way you always do. And I want you to see when price gets to those levels for your entry, I want you to see the reaction that happens. And I want you to focus on what's happening when price gets to your entry, your real entry, not the one that you keep rushing on, but the entry that you really want, the one you did your homework on. I want you, because the reason why I want you to go back and back test it, because I want you to gain confidence. I want you to believe in your skill and ability. So in order to gain that confidence, my brother, you have to see it work for you over and over and over, and it has to be deep inside of you. All right, because when it comes to the live market, the only thing you have to go off of is what you've seen in the past, what you've seen work in the past. So I need you to see you taking the entry in your back testing. I want you to take that entry when you're back testing, and I want you to go for it. And I want you to soak in what happened. You don't need to beat the market, bro. Don't try to beat the market to the punch. You will always lose doing that, or you will lose most of the time trying to beat the market to the entry. You did your homework, trust your analysis, and I want you to see it happen over and over and over in your back testing. That's going to give you the confidence, bro. And then I just want you to trust the process. Trust the process. Don't get nervous. Because when you was back testing, you took the entry when it got to your entry point. Then you took the entry. I want you to do that same thing live. So that's your homework. You follow what I said?
Yeah, I got what you see.
That's your homework. And I need you to really focus on the entry part of it. Because it seems like you got everything else in order. I want you to focus on the entry part, and I want you to sit on your hands until price gets to that entry. I want you to fast forward it. And when price gets to that entry, boom, I want you to, put your entry in, back testing and take profit. Don't try to hold it for long, 50, 100 pips. Take profit at your normal take profit level and mark that as a win. And I want you to do that for like from 2 weeks up until now. And that's going to give you the confidence.
Thank you.
I'm telling you, it works, but you have to be disciplined to it, all right?
Right.
Yes, sir. Hey, comment in one, on my social media, comment. Give me a comment on one of my next YouTube videos, and let me know, did that help you or not? Okay.
All right, thank you.
All right, my man. I appreciate you.
Yeah, thank you.
What up, though?
Hey, what's going on, Major?
You already know, man.
Salute.
From the D to the D, man.
Oh man, you like next door hollering at your boy.
Yeah, yeah. Man,
Yes,
I'm just
sir.
having troubles with finding where I'm at in the market. You know, earlier on, it was like when I buy, it'll go to a stop hunt or start selling against me. It'll start going straight into my buy. If I'm in the sale, it do the opposite. So I'm just having a hard time identifying exactly where I'm at in the market. And then to correlate with today, like we know that gold been on the uptrend, Euro USD been on the uptrend, but it's been pulling back, and I haven't got the confirmation that it's truly a downtrend yet. So I'm still buying too early, and it's still going how I was pulling back today. Gold, Euro, USD, everything. Bitcoin fell. Everything's falling. I'm not sure where to get back in to try to go back to the upside with it.
So
when we know that it's in the up.
right, I got you. I'm gonna lace you up. So let me pull up the charts for you. All right, I gotta take you to the charts.
Okay.
We gotta get up in there. Let me see. All right, so I believe you can see my chart now. Boom. Got it?
Yes, sir.
All right, so which one you want to look at? You told me a couple different ones. Which one you want to check out?
I'm thinking Euro USD would be a better example, just because it correlates with the DXY so good. And like I say, I've been waiting to see if it's gonna return back to the trend, but it's just hard not notifying where you at when it's doing some stuff like it's been doing this week.
Right. I got you. So here's the thing, my brother. The first thing you gotta do is, hold on one second here. The first thing you have to do is go to the higher time frame. When you in question and you trying to get that direction, you got to go to the higher time frame. And are you a day trader or a scalper?
I like to say intraday day trader. Yeah, intraday day trader.
So look at this. We already broke the 50 moving average on the daily chart. You know that's about to drop.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's already been doing it already. It been broken. So it's just dropping because it broke the 50. Now, do you know my 50 moving average strategy from the YouTube videos, or you haven't got that one yet?
No, I haven't got to that one yet.
Okay, that one. Go ahead.
Yeah, I was about to say I've been following your learn how to trade like the banks. So, like most people I seen say trade like the banks, they don't too much advertise. The moving average is pretty much price action. So, like I haven't been using too much of the 200 or the 50 or any moving averages actually. Like I use more equilibrium, but like I say, I'm still learning. So that's why I'm like, I'm not understanding like where I'm at in the market when it started going down, it's about to pull back or, things of that nature.
So check this out. People that say they just trade naked and they're kind of too prideful to put any indicator on their chart, it becomes a time where they're unsure. All right. And it's normal, but I trade that way, but I have a certain amount of indicators that I use, just the right amount, now in the beginning stage, it looked like a circus. You feel me? I got all type of indicators, right? Now I've perfected the craft. I have just the right amount that gives me an edge that people that trade naked don't know. They don't know what's happening at that certain moment. I have an edge. Let me show you what that is. I'm telling you, it's one of them. I got a few of them, but one of them is this 50. So look at this. If you would have went to this daily and saw it broke, you wouldn't have been thinking. You're a day trader. You're not a position trader. You're not a swing trader trying to hold it for 1,000 pips and hold it for a month. You probably just trying to compound your account day by day. So when you saw the 50 moving average trade, what you see, bro, when you saw price break that 50 on the daily, you should have been taking all sales, compounding your money on the hour, on the 30, the 15. Like your entry should have been every time it broke below that 50, you would have been taking a sale. Because the momentum, that's what I'm saying. You FTB, follow the banks. All right, that's what I'm rocking with. they're showing you their hand right here. The momentum has shifted. Now, for how long, my brother, we don't know that. That's why it's powerful as day traders, because we can get in and out, and it could be pulling back up, and we get that last little bit of sell, but we ain't gonna get caught in the trap because we in and out. You feel me? So here's the thing. Now, this is what I want you to say. You said you don't know where you're at in the market. Look, on this daily chart, my brother, I heard what you said. You got to start trying to find pullback zones.
Yeah.
You got to find those pullback zones. See, look, there's nothing, bro. There's nothing in between from here to here. There's nothing stopping price. It's nothing. It's zero. Nothing in there. So price can just pull back to this area right here and then drop finally to these areas right here. All right. So you follow me so far on that?
Yeah. So we gotta be a little more patient and let it play out.
Well, no, I'm saying make the money on the way down.
Okay. Okay.
Because the momentum has shifted on the daily.
Right.
You know what I mean? That's like the parent time frame. That's like the one that controls the rest for us day traders. I'm not talking swing traders, because they're looking at monthlies.
Okay,
right.
So if I miss those two candles right there, or those 3 candles, do I wait till it tests your 50 again and then get back in, or because it's like I bought in right there, it just come back and test the 50.
But what if it never comes back to the 50?
Right.
So if it look, bro, if it never comes back to the 50 and it drops, you don't have an entry.
Right.
You have to just sit on your hands and stay disciplined. But what if it pulls back? Hold on. What if it pulls back, but it never goes to the 50? You got it. What did I say earlier? You got to find the what? The what zone? It started with a P.
I forgot that quick.
The pullback zone. The pullback zone, baby. So look, you got to find that pullback zone. What if it don't want to come back up that high to the 50? What if it just comes to the pullback zone where price rejected in the past, then drop? You supposed to have been there and ready for it. All right. Okay. So now I'm answering your question low key, because now you know where you at in the market. Now you got a game plan now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Boom. Now look. So now we go on the hour chart and make sure everything is lining up with it. So now look at this. We on the hour, baby. Boom. Here's the pullback zone from that daily. It's not too far away. All right. So look. So here's the thing. This is where people get faked out at. Just because it broke the hour 50, now they think it's a buy. It's really probably just pulling back to the pullback zone on the daily I told you about, because the daily and the 4 hour is still in the seller's market, because we're still below that 50, right? So don't get caught up trying to buy on this 1 hour chart because it broke the 50. You should be understanding I'm waiting for the entry at the pullback zone.
Yeah, but they tell you to. I mean, most people say the 15-minute is sufficient chart to do your entries and exits off of.
Oh yeah. So look,
use the 1 hour or
no. So what peep game? Okay, so you taking me deeper and deeper. Or you got me doing homework. So look. So look, we just go deeper. We're like a sale. You go deeper and deeper into a sale. That's all we're doing. So now I'm just trying to show you don't get confused as you go lower and lower.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah.
So
yeah.
15-minute, it's the same thing, baby. Pullback zone. All right. The 15-minute is just gonna give you a clear representation. But don't be trying to be getting faked out by these buys, because on a higher time frame, that's a pullback zone.
Oh, okay.
Boom. Now you know where you're at in the market.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm telling you now. Now keep watching the videos and putting everything together, or you know what I'm saying? It's gonna click for you, my brother.
Yeah. Thank you so much, man. I get it, man. Like you said, you just got to follow the rules, man. Everything play out,
You got, but remember, I found when you lost.
Yeah.
Boom. Go back to that higher time frame and get an understanding and work your way each time frame lower. Because don't change your analysis when you get to the 15. The 15 is just gonna be the same analysis from what you marked up from the higher time frame. So don't be thinking like, oh man, I'm in an uptrend on this 15. I need to be buying. No, you need to be sticking to the plan from the higher time frame you marked up. You marked up on the daily. You found that pullback zone on the daily. So now each time frame is just gonna give you a clear picture of that move. That's it. That's it. All right. So I hope I answered your question, my bro.
Yep, that's it. That's 100.
Yes,
you
sir.
know I gotta go practice that thing now, man.
Yeah, you just gotta think. You gotta think like how I kind of showed you to think.
Yeah.
Yes,
yep.
sir. Hey, I believe in you, Major. Let's go.
Yep, let's go, baby. Let's get it. Team Take Profit to the world, blow.
Hey, let's go. Peace.
You know it.
Dow Jones, what's going on, man? We got the Dow Jones in the building. This is the Jay Wayne Q&A show, man. How can I help you, my brother? All right, so join Team Take Profits, okay. All my links is on the YouTube videos. All my links, how to join, go into my description section on all my YouTube videos. The links are there to join Team Take Profits. Every YouTube video, go into the description and the link is there for you. All right. Hey, shout out to South Africa, man. I appreciate you for jumping on, man.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
My links, how to join, go into my description section on all my YouTube videos. The links are there to join Team Take Profits. Every YouTube video, go into the description and the link is there for you. All right. Hey, shout out to South Africa, man. I appreciate you for jumping on, man.